up, beautiful people? Fernando David here. I'm out here in Hollywood. I'm about to show you another project that Danny Pacheco and I are doing. First of all, let's just discuss the outside. It's a single family home and we created an efficiency in the back, but I'm going to show you that in a second. But I just want you to see the front because I want you to see how deceiving this property is. So from the front, as you can see, we installed some new windows. We're doing some decorative pillars. So just follow me. So this is on all of Danny Pacheco's properties, you're going to see this is going to be a signature. There's going to be a tile here, so you'll get to see how nice that comes out. But come inside, because inside is almost done, but you'll get to see where we are so far. So here's what we're planning on doing for this property. First of all, as you can see, we just have a white canvas. And when I say canvas, it's because we're actually going to be doing some nice accent walls, some artwork on the walls, and the feature of the property, or the theme of the property, is going to be liberty. We're on Hollywood, the street is Liberty Street, so we're going to create a nice patriotic theme in this property. But this front area right here, we're going to create a office, small workstation. It's going to be desk, computer stuff here. Here in the living room, so far we may change it, but so far this is where we're going to do a nice American flag, but it's going to be more like Art Deco because it's not just going to have the traditional American colors. There's going to be some pop to it, and what I'll do is I'll show you a picture of more or less what that's going to look like in the video. This is going to be the living area. It's going to be more of a formal living space. TV is going to go there. Sofa. Before we go this way, let's go this way. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. This is your first bedroom. Again, all the bedrooms, the whole property, we put impact windows. And I want to show you the closet because they're all going to be very similar to this. We created these shelves, storage spaces here inside the closet. Second bedroom, this is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms. These 2 bedrooms are going to have queen beds in them, and then the master will have a king. But again, see the same concept of the storage in the closet, or the same closet organizer. And the bathroom. So this tile that you see here is what is going to be almost the exact same tile that you're going to see in the pillars. This is the type of tile we're going to put on the pillars. But this is the bathroom with the tub. Now, I don't know if you noticed, go ahead and focus in on the handles. I'm big on having cool handles because they're very inexpensive and they add a nice touch to the property. All right, here's the kitchen. Refrigerator, the stove is going to be on this side. We have a dishwasher there, but it's a split pan, refrigerator, stove, sink, and dishwasher. The dining area is here. Now here's where we're going to put the other mirror. We're going to do a nice hand-painted wall here. And again, I'll see if I can get a picture of what we're going to be putting on here so you can see, because this part is going to be cool. What's cool about it is when you're walking through that door, the 2 focal points are going to be the American flag on that wall and then this wall here. So coming here, this is going to be the master. We got the doors, new doors coming in, but the master's here. And let's see if I can move this out of the way. Because right here, as you can see the outlines here, this is going to be barn door for the bathroom, and that's that door over there. But this is the bathroom. laundry room is going to be there. And then this is our entertainment room. Well, let me see if I can get this thing out of that. This is the entertainment room. Right here, what we're going to be doing is having a big screen TV here, sitting area. But the cool part, we're also going to add some games, some video games, so old school Pac-Man, Galaga, what's that other one? I can't remember the other one. But anyways, Pac-Man, Galaga, those two games will be here. Plus a foosball table is going to be put in here. So this is going to be a nice area for families or people to come and relax, watch some TV or play some games. Let's go outside, because this is where we're going to put in a lot of work. So out here, we're already started. We're going to go ahead and put or create a very nice outdoor space for our guests. Specifically on this side, because we're going to show you the inside of this area here, with outdoor kitchen, gazebo. You'll see, this part right here is where we're going to put a lot of work into so you can have a nice outdoor space for the guests. Now let's go inside here. Alright, this one's still a lot of work in progress, but this is going to be a studio. If you flip around, you see where the kitchen is. You can't tell from there, but you definitely can tell from this. When you open these windows, you get a nice cool breeze. Now, it's summer out here, you still probably don't want to have the windows open, but come fall or spring, don't need the AC, you open these windows up, you're going to have a nice cool breeze coming in and out. This one has the bathroom, and then as you can see, we started the same closet theme that we have in all the other ones. That'll be there. But this is going to be a nice, cool studio that single or couples can come and enjoy. Let's go back outside.
Definitely.
I have to run over to
All right, so here's what's going to be very interesting about the property, because we're going to actually separate the property. We're going to create two outdoor spaces, one specifically for this studio and one for the main house, so that the guests are not really interacting or don't have any shared space. Because for this property, the entrance is from the alleyway. You can come in here, and this property here is going to have its own parking space. It's going to be completely separate from the main house. I'm a firm believer that if you can create separate spaces without shared space, so that each guest has a lot of privacy, that's the way to go. That's it for now. If comment below, let me know what you think. Give me some suggestions of what you would put in here. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.